Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Huge people you apps install and Google Play Store. Emu apps very important in chatting, calling, video communication apps. Emu apps very popular various countries. So Emu apps installed by Google Play Store and your communication skill develop and communication your friends, your father, your mother and official purpose. Mainly another country job employ popular use Emu apps. Emu apps very popular. Now this video watching Emu apps related to important settings. First, Emu apps download system by Google Play Store. Then Emu display light issue. First, change Google Play Store using by install Emu apps. First, your mobile phone display and click Play Store option. Click Play Store option and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now search apps. Click search apps and type Emu and search. When get Emu type and search and this interface showing mobile phone display. Now this option already Emu apps installed my phone, so no need. Now Emu apps installed. Another people or viewers not install Emu apps, then this option install and this option click and running download these apps and finishing install it. Then when install complete, then this open option and back to your mobile display. Now showing Emu apps icon. Click Emu apps icon and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Very important settings. Emu apps light chat option or light. Now the Emu apps showing dark light on display or settings and set option. If you want change dark option to light option, then this video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Now click upper side your profile icon. When get profile icon and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now upper side moon icon, star icon or the sun icon. Click sun icon, already display light. Thank you for watching my video.